Cars and trucks are just a means of transportation for some, but for us, it's a reflection of our personality. Bigger wheels and tires, suspension, and interior upgrades. Anything we can do to make our vehicle stand out from everyone else's. And for example, tail lights. Now you can buy an aftermarket set and put them in your truck and they'll look really cool, but they're gonna cost you. Today, I'll show you something cool you can do to the rear of your truck, and I'm talking about smoked tail lights. Now, there's many ways to get this effect. The same film that tints your windows, you can also use to smoke your tail lights. Now, I've tinted a lot of windows in my day, and I'm here to tell you, it's not the easiest thing in the world to do. So you can imagine how hard it would be to wrap this light. Another way you can do it is use a transparent paint from a rattle can. This is another easy way to get this effect, but I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. First, wipe the lights down with wax and grease remover to get the surface clean. Then, we can sand the lights down with a gray scuff pad. I'll backmask the lights so we don't get any overspray on the backside. And wipe them down one more time with degreaser. The first thing we're going to apply is the adhesion promoter. Now, this is ready to spray, so there is no mixing required, and we only need a couple ounces. At about 16 psi at the inlet of the gun, we can lay down one even coat. Now that our adhesion promoter is flashed for 30 minutes, we can get on to the important part, and that's mixing the black and the Intercoat clear together. Now, an Intercoat clear is basically a clear base coat. This is normally what I use before I lay down any graphics. So I'll base the truck or car, lay down an Intercoat clear, and then the graphics. That way you protect any work you've already done. But it's also great for work like this. A lot of times people will mix the black into a clear coat or just over-reduce it, but I found an Intercoat clear works the best. First, pour about 2 ounces of clear into a cup, and this mixes 1-to-1 with reducer. Then we can add a little black. I'll start with about ½ of an ounce. You can see how transparent it is. Now we can lay down 1 coat of the transparent paint. Now you can see how this is already starting to change, so you want to make sure you don't mix in too much black or lay down too heavy of a coat because you could ruin this part. And a second coat does the trick. And that's how easy it is to smoke tail lights. The only thing I've got left to do is lay down a couple of coats of clear.